Here I've got HUAWEI Honor 20 and let me show you how to activate simple mode on the following device. So at the very beginning from your home screen you have to select the settings, then go to the system, and here just under reset option you will see simple mode. So just tap on it, and if you would like to enable it, just click on enable and enjoy simplified home screen. And as you can see now we are in simple mode, so the icons are way larger and you will be able to use just some of them. Then if you would like to switch it off, open the settings one more time and click on exit simple mode. And as you can see now we are back in the standard one. So that is all. This is how you can easily enable this minimalistic mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.